Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're exploring how to use AI to optimize SEO performance, unlocking the power of artificial intelligence to improve your website's ranking, drive traffic, and enhance user experience. If you're looking to take your SEO game to the next level, this guide is for you. Leveraging AI for keyword research. AI tools can streamline your keyword research process. Platforms like Ahrefs, SEMrush, and Google's Keyword Planner use AI to analyze search volume, competition, and user intent, helping you identify high-performing keywords. With AI, you can discover long-tail keywords and niche opportunities that human research might miss. Content creation and optimization. AI can assist in generating high-quality, SEO-friendly content. Tools like GPT-3 and Jasper can help you draft blog posts, product descriptions, and landing pages optimized for your target keywords. These tools also provide suggestions for improving readability, keyword density, and structure, ensuring your content ranks higher. On-page SEO enhancements. AI can analyze your website's on-page SEO elements, such as meta tags, headings, and image alt texts. AI-powered tools like Surfer SEO and ClearScope suggest improvements to optimize your pages for both search engines and users, making sure your content is aligned with ranking factors. Improving user experience with AI. User experience, UX, plays a crucial role in SEO performance. AI can be used to personalize website content, recommend products, or adjust site layouts based on visitor behavior. Tools like Dynamic Yield and Optimizely use AI to tailor your website to each user, improving engagement and reducing bounce rates. AI for link building and outreach. AI-powered platforms like Pitchbox and Ninja Outreach can help automate link building efforts by identifying potential backlink opportunities. They also assist in reaching out to influencers or other websites in your niche, helping you earn high-quality backlinks that boost your domain authority. Tracking SEO performance with AI. AI can be used to analyze and track your website's SEO performance over time. Tools like Google Analytics and AI-powered dashboards provide insights into your traffic, keyword rankings, and user behavior. AI can even predict trends and suggest strategies to stay ahead of competitors. Using AI to optimize SEO not only saves time, but also enhances your website's visibility and performance. Are you using AI for SEO yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more digital marketing tips. See you in the next one.